Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Alvin Francis E. Carayon, and this afternoon I'm going to demonstrate the perennial care. The indication or the purpose of perennial care is to avoid spreading the microorganism, to avoid infection, to clean the perineum, and for the patient's comfort and relaxation. So I'm going to do the procedure now. First thing first is do the 12 sequence. So 12 sequence done, and then pull the patient near you to avoid overreaching using the body mechanics. So hold the head of the patient and the buttocks, and then if you count 1, 2, 3, and then swing. So 1, 2, 3, swing. And then next is I'm going to drape the patient into a diagonal drape.
Timer starts now.
So find the tip of the bath blanket, pull towards the hips, then the edge of the bath blanket, and then put in this to meet at the center. Then put the patient to dorsal recumbent position. So it's a leg part, so you can bend or flex the knee of the patient. Then put the arm to abdomen so it will not expose or to avoid chilling. Then after that, roll this, going to the area to be cleaned. If you are struggling of this position, you can ask the assessor to it's like consider to abduct position. So yung abduct position sa
Adak na lang ako. Flaccid na kaya siya. Luyat na.
And then cover the patient's leg to avoid chilling and inflation. So close first, avoid exposure. So okay. Now I'm going to put the roll towel under the hollow hand back of the patient. So body mechanics, leave the patient back. The purpose of this is in order to balance the bedpan and the back of the patient. So now I'm going to insert the bedpan. So we have 4 kinds of bedpan. We have a stainless, plastic, aluminum, and enamel. So what we have here now is the stainless. So it's pour warm water and swirl, discard. So the purpose of that is to minimize the coldness of the bedpan. So I'm going to insert now. then expose the clean to be clean area. So for the get warm water, lukewarm water, and then for initial rinsing, test the warmness of the water. It's fine now, and then you may start pouring the mons pubis, pardis labia majora, nearest labia majora, pardis labia minora, nearest labia minora, center, clitoris, urethra, vagina, then pardis groin or gluteal, nearest groin, then pardis inner thigh, and nearest inner thigh. And now we're going to add soap. So I have here 2 wash basin, and then we will make a pyramid on top of the wash basin to avoid mixing around or wetting around. So wash, rinse, soap. So mons pubis, pardis labia majora, wash, rinse, soap. Mons pubis, pardis labia majora, nearest labia majora, wash, rinse, soap. Pardis labia minora, near labia minora, wash, rinse, soap. Gluteal or pardis groin, nearest groin, wash, rinse, soap. And then pardis inner thigh, zigzag stroke. And then nearest inner thigh, zigzag stroke.
Anus, ay kanin yung anus. What sense is anus? Anus, buttocks, gluteal first. Or last nimo.
Okay.
Anus.
So wash, ma'am. Kapag
Sa wash ko.
okay. So the last one is
Anus.
wash, rinse, soap. Anus, gluteal fold, and buttocks.
Okay.
And then now, I'm done cleaning the perineum part. So I'm going to clean the center using the stereo technique. So I'm gonna prepare the materials. Put a continent pad, incontinent pad, and then put on top your materials to avoid whipping around and or extra work. So transfer the cotton balls to kidney wash basin using a stereo forceps. Then get the hose pad open. Then get the hose pad using the stereo forceps. Put it one side of the wash basin, kidney basin. And then remove the gloves. So gloves to gloves, skin to skin, overlap, and then discard. Then since the faucet is a bit far from me, so I'm gonna use the hand sanitizer. And then add the powder. Then get your sterile gloves. So find the plug.
Okay, you check first.
Check the integrity of the sterile gloves, the expiration date, and the discoloration of the sterile gloves. So find the plug. Open. So this is my non-dominant and my dominant hand. So I'm gonna put it first to my dominant hand. Explore your finger. Then next in my non-dominant hand.
Okay, protect your glove hands. Suksok sa protect it. up, up. And I touch na. That's not sterile.
Yeah. This is my
Sterile to sterile.
Yes.
Okay, leave that alone. Let it fly.
So,
Sige.
now, I'm going to pick up the cotton balls using my non-dominant hand and transfer to my dominant hand.
Okay.
So, pick up, transfer. So, clitoris, urethra, vagina, drop. Clitoris, urethra, vagina. Clitoris, urethra, vagina, anus. Then anus,
Lucha po.
gluteal fold, and then buttocks.
Okay.
So now, I'm going to pour a lukewarm. Get the pitcher with a lukewarm using your contaminated hand. So, start pouring from mons pubis, farthest labia majora, nearest labia majora, farthest labia minora, nearest labia minora, center, clitoris, urethra, vagina, anus, then farthest groin, nearest groin, farthest inner thigh, nearest inner thigh. So now I'm going to pat dry using my sterile hand. Then get the hose pad. Then pat dry first the center. So clitoris, urethra, vagina, corn. Then farthest labia minora, nearest labia minora. Then you can get another hose pad. Farthest labia majora, nearest labia majora, and mons pubis, zigzag stroke upwards. Then farthest groin, nearest groin, and farthest inner thigh, zigzag stroke, and nearest inner thigh, zigzag stroke. Now, another hose pad for anus, gluteal fold, and buttocks. And now, my patient has a lateral laceration. So, get a cotton balls with betadine and point it to the laceration area. And do it at least 3 times using your forceps.
Okay. So that is cotton balls with betadine.
With betadine.
Okay. At least 3
3
times.
times.
Okay. Care of catheter.
I'm going to proceed the care of catheter. So, care of catheter is to avoid to avoid the infection of the wound and for healing of the wound. So, insert the catheter to urethra. Then, prepare the materials. Then, I'm going to change my sterile gloves to a new set of sterile gloves. So, paano mo, assuming na lang na mag-change.
Okay, so I've changed with a new set of
Ay,
sterile gloves. After you have prepared already the cotton
Material.
balls with betadine.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So, nanay catheter, okay, go.
Yes, ma'am. So,
Oh.
get 2 cotton
Pumping.
balls with betadine. So, one is holding the catheter in insertion side, and then one is to clean it in the rotatory motion, single stroke, and then avoid tracing at least 2/3 high,
Okay.
and then do it
Three
at
times.
least 3 times.
Dili na yung balik ang pagpapal
Ah.
sa nila. So, may mo na ka at least 3 times para di ka uno yung time.
Okay.
So, you just do it once, pero you mention na at least 3
At
times.
least 3
Okay.
times.
Then, What are you going to do with the
Then,
cotton balls?
squeeze the cotton balls in insertion site for the betadine
to
to urethra.
enter in the
To enter
urethra.
into the urethra.
Okay. Okay, stop.
Time, and done.
Put patient comfortably on bed. So 13 minutes 58 seconds including the cranial care, no? So acceptable should only be 10 to 15 minutes, so you hit the time.